Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the brick rod. This unique fishing rod requires dedication, starting with a minimum of 22 hours of playtime in the game. Next, you'll need to visit the innkeeper at the Desolate Deep to set your spawn location, a crucial early step. Finally, embark on a scavenger hunt to find and interact with 3 hidden bricks across the vast game world. Moving forward, you'll need to gather specific items and uncover secret codes. Search for a unique word hidden in Mushgrove Swamp and a numerical code at Brine Pool. These are vital for a later step. Also, make sure to catch a pufferfish from Roslet Bay and collect both a sundial totem and a smokescreen totem to manipulate in-game conditions. The next stage involves a special interaction with the Minish NPC. First, ensure you equip the correct player title as this changes every hour. Then, locate Minish at Harvester's Spike, but only during a foggy summer night. Use your smokescreen totem if needed. Once you find him, type the precise incantation into the chat, combining your 2 secret codes. For the final steps, after successfully uttering the incantation, present your pufferfish to Minish. This action will instantly teleport you to a mysterious, hidden room. Inside, you will find the coveted brick rod. You can then purchase this powerful fishing tool for 13,337 in-game cash, completing your challenging quest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.